Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of search engine optimization. Are you struggling to improve your website's search engine rankings despite investing time and effort into your online presence? If so, you might be overlooking a crucial aspect of search engine optimization, on-page SEO. This video will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to elevate your site's performance in search results and attract more visitors. Before we get started, make sure you download the page optimization template below in the description. It will give you a step-by-step technical breakdown in optimizing your title tags and meta descriptions in order to achieve the best results on Google. On-page SEO refers to the process of optimizing individual web pages for better search engine visibility, taking into account factors such as content, quality, keyword placement, and meta tags. It plays a pivotal role in determining how well your site ranks in search engine results pages, SERPs, making it essential for anyone looking to improve their online presence. In this video, we'll break down the key components of on-page SEO, providing clear, actionable strategies that you can implement immediately to boost your website's performance. Whether you're looking to increase organic traffic, grow your audience, or generate more leads, understanding and applying on-page SEO tactics is crucial for success. If you're looking to improve your website's organic search engine rankings, then stick around for some valuable insights. So let's just jump right in. So what is SEO? Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process of optimizing your website and its content to improve its visibility and ranking on search engine results pages, or SERPs. This is crucial because higher rankings on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo can lead to increased traffic and ultimately more conversions or sales for your business. In simple terms, SEO is about making your website as search engine friendly as possible, ensuring that it provides the best user experience and contains relevant, high-quality content that matches users' search queries. Now that we know what SEO is, let's discuss its purpose. The main goal of SEO is to improve your website's organic search engine rankings. Organic rankings are those that are not influenced by paid advertising. Instead, they are determined by search engine algorithms that evaluate various factors. Now that we've covered the basics of SEO, let's dive deeper into on-page SEO and its importance. On-page SEO refers to the various optimization techniques applied directly to a website and its content, which generally impact search engine rankings. In this section, we'll explain how on-page SEO affects rankings, discuss its benefits for website owners, and mention its roles in a comprehensive SEO strategy. On-page SEO is essential for search engine rankings because it helps search engines understand your website's content and its relevance to user queries. This is achieved by optimizing various elements on your website, such as title tags, meta descriptions, URL structure, headings, and keyword usage. By doing so, you signal to search engines that your content is valuable and relevant to users, which can result in higher rankings on SERPs. There are numerous benefits of on-page SEO for website owners. First and foremost, it improves your website's visibility on search engines, leading to increased organic traffic. This in turn can result in higher conversion rates and sales for your business. Additionally, on-page SEO helps enhance user experience by ensuring your content is well structured, easy to navigate, and fast loading. Now that we discussed the importance of on-page SEO, let's explore some essential on-page SEO elements, starting with title tags. In this section, we'll define title tags, explain their significance for search engine and users, and offer some best practices for prioritizing them. Title tags are HTML elements that specify the title of a web page. They are displayed on search engine results pages as the clickable headline for a given result and are crucial for both usability and SEO. Title tags give users and search engines a brief, accurate description of what to expect on a web page, making them an essential component of on-page SEO. Title tags play a significant role for both search engine users. For search engines, they help determine the relevance of your content to user queries. A well-crafted title tag can make your web page more likely to rank higher in search results. For users, title tags provide a quick and clear understanding of what the page is about, helping them decide whether it's worth clicking on or not. This can greatly impact your click-through rate, which is another important factor in SEO. Optimizing title tags is crucial for SEO success. Here are some of the best practices to follow when crafting your title tags. Keep it concise. Aim for a title tag length of 50 to 60 characters, as search engines may truncate longer titles in the SERP. This ensures that your entitled title is visible to users. Include your target keyword. Place your primary keyword or keyword phrase near the beginning of your title tag to signal its importance to search engines and users alike. Make it unique, ensuring that each page on your website has a distinct and descriptive title tag. Avoid duplication and effectively differentiating between pages. Use your brand. Include your brand on your website name at the end of your title tag to increase brand awareness and credibility. Write for humans. While it's important to optimize for search engines, remember that your title tag should be engaging and informative for users. Focus on creating a compelling title that encourages clicks and improves your click-through rate. By following these best practices, you'll create title tags that not only enhance your SEO efforts, but also provide a better user experience for your visitors. Continuing with our exploration of essential on-page SEO elements, let's now discuss meta descriptions. In this segment, we'll define meta descriptions, explain their importance for search engines and click-through rates, and offer some best practices for optimizing them. Meta descriptions are a summary of a web page's content written with the HTML code using the meta tag. They're typically displayed beneath the title tag on search engine results pages, providing users with a quick overview of what they can expect to find on a given page. Though meta descriptions aren't a direct ranking factor, they do play a significant role in influencing click-through rates and user engagements. While meta descriptions don't directly impact search engine rankings, they do influence click-through rates. A well-written meta description can entice users to click on your link, improve your CTR, while search engines may consider when determining your page's ranking by providing a clear, concise, and engaging summary of your content. You encourage users to visit your page, boosting your website's overall performance. So what are the best practices for optimizing meta descriptions? Let's take a look. Keep it concise. Google only displays the first 150 to 160 characters of a meta description, so it's essential to keep it concise and to the point. Use the keyword. Including the keyword in your meta description can improve your page's visibility in SERPs. Be descriptive. The meta description should accurately describe the content on your page to entice people to click. Use a call to action. Including a call to action in your meta description can encourage people to click through to your page. Avoid duplication. Each meta description on your website should be unique to avoid confusion and improve click-through rates. By following these best practices, you can optimize your meta descriptions to increase click-through rate and improve your page's visibility in search engine results pages. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Ask a Chief Marketing Officer. Make sure you like and subscribe in order to see the latest videos from Zima Media, where we cover all the things that are digital marketing in order to give you the results you deserve.